If you're anything like me and you've been looking for a way to create financial freedom and choices outside of your day job, then this is the video for you. In this video, we're going to talk about 2 super simple ideas that you could use to create $1 million outside of your job in the next 15 years. Now, obviously, you just want to whack a massive disclaimer in there. We've got no idea what's going to come in the next 15 years in the real estate market. But what we're modeling this off is some data from Simon Priestley, which recently came out, where he looked at the last 50 years across Australia's capital cities and saw that the average return per annum over that period of time was 8.2%. Now, in this first example, we basically go out there and buy a $500,000 house. And then once we've completed that, we go out there and buy a second $500,000 house. Now, obviously, 500K plus 500K is $1 million. Now, if we hold those 2 properties for the next 15 years and they grow by a conservative 4.8% per annum over the next 15 years, we're going to end up with $2 million worth of property, which is $1 million outside of your job in that period of time. Now, for those of you watching this that are in a really strong financial position, you don't even have to go out there and buy 2 properties. So the second example is we go out there and we buy one beautiful home for $1 million. Now, same maths as before. If we hold that for the next 15 years and it grows by an average of 4.8% per annum, we're going to be left with $2 million, which means that if we do get that average of 4.8% per annum for that 15-year period, you've made $1 million outside of your day job. The most common question I get asked is, if it was this simple, then why wouldn't everybody go out there and do it? The reality is investing in property and high quality property is simple. If we stick to the fundamentals that have worked longer term, which means buying houses in metro or major regional markets, close to the city or close to the beach, in quality suburbs, on nice quiet streets with nice decent houses on them and good sized pieces of land, then it's highly likely that based on history, we're going to get the sorts of returns where we can double our money in the next 15 years. Now, for those of you seriously thinking about buying a property in the next 6 to 12 months, we'd love to offer you a one-on-one strategy session. Just jump over to www.pumpedonproperty.com and click that free strategy session button, and we can discuss where you are right now and where you'd like to be longer term. We can educate you on the current market and ideas like this that you can apply and go and achieve financial freedom. And then you can go from that session and smash it on your own, or potentially become one of the extremely small number of clients that we take on each month. But either way, we wish you all the best on your journey. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so.
Woo! That's a wrap.
That's a wrap.
Getting cool, bro. Yeah. Oh, sweaty. So sweaty. Oh, that's good. Look at that. So nice, eh? Oh.